Hello everyone, this is my reflection on Chapter 7. Purchasing is a fundamental component of supply chain management or SCM, playing a crucial role in ensuring that businesses have the necessary materials and services to meet production demands and satisfy customer needs. Reflecting on the importance of purchasing in SCM, I have to realize the strategic sourcing, and effective supplier management are vital to optimizing cost, maintaining quality, and ensuring timely delivery. Purchasing decisions directly impact the efficiency and success of the entire supply chain, making it a key driver of operational performance. One of the core lessons I've learned is that purchasing is not just about acquiring goods at the lowest price. Strategic purchasing involves building long-term relationships with suppliers, negotiating affordable, favorable terms, and ensuring the availability of quality materials. By selecting the right suppliers, businesses can reduce risk, minimize disruption, and improve their overall competitiveness. Additionally, integrating purchasing with other parts of supply chains such as inventory management and production planning ensures a more coordinated, efficient operation. Thank you. That's my chapter 7.